Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today in this video I am going to share with you all few Indo Western dresses which you can make from your old Bandhej print sarees. I am also going to show you the images of the sarees which you can take to make the following dresses. So let's continue the video. You must have seen in most of the videos that with the sari we only make the lehenga patterns and the long anarkali gowns, but to give it a Indo-Western or modern twist, you can make this type of stripped anarkali. It's a kind of long flared umbrella cut anarkali pattern. Here two things you need to remember, that you need to give a deep neckline both in front and back side. In the back side I prefer to give around 9 inches deeper neckline, and in the front side you can give 8 or 8.5 inches. Believe me, that will really look very smart and modern. The second most important thing which you have to keep in mind is ask your tailor to make the strip which you are going to add in the shoulder line to join the front and back pattern. That should be around ½ inches wider, not more than that, because that will not look good. And ask them to make the strip just near the end of your shoulder line, so that it will give a broader neck pattern to your outfit, because all the whole anarkali is covered. So in the top part it should be like more broader in the neckline, so that will look really very good and perfect, a kind of gown pattern you can see. One more thing I want to mention here is because the top part is a broader one, and you need to have a perfect fitting in the top part, so just add a side zipper. Don't forget to add a side zipper in the top part, so that you can wear it easily, and with the zip you will get a perfect fitting in the top part. Also, for the perfect fitting you can add the pads in the front part, and because these Bandhej Sarees fabric is a kind of flowy pattern, so you can make the umbrella cut also in the bottom flared, or you can also add the cullies in the bottom part, because that will also work very well. With the cullies you can also experiment this type of alternate cullies with two different colored sarees of Bandhej print. Here you can see the red and blue one, they had combined together and make these type of alternate cullies. Another beautiful part of this kurti is the wavy neckline. It's really looking very beautiful. Another most important thing is to make the dupatta, which you need to match with your kurti. And as you know that Bandhej fabric is a little bit shiny in nature, so you need to purchase some shiny pattern fabric. Here you can use the Taketa silk fabric and give it to dye and match it with your kurti. You can give a leheria pattern also in your dupatta, or you can give a Bandhej print also. Any pattern you can give it for dye, and don't try to make the dupatta with a simple cotton fabric, because that will not match with your kurti. Another fusion idea to convert your Bandhej sari into a kurti is to make a peplum top with that, and these peplum tops you can wear with a straight cut palazzo pant or any trousers. This is a good outfit for college wears. To create the bottom flare of your peplum top, you can use the circle skirt pattern also to give a flare, or if you are having a shortage of fabric or you want to use it to another dress also, then you can try this type of pleats, because this will consume a little less fabric than the circle skirt pattern. So you can try this pleated one. Now comes to the neckline. You can give it a boat neck pattern and make it a little bit broader one from the back side. Another fusion dress you can try with your Bandhej print saree is this type of kaftan kurti. So here in the sides you can use the saree's border as it is also, or you can remove it and paste it in the neckline and in the waistline. As you can see there, they had given a little bit pleats there, and with the pleats they had covered it with a lace. So just detach the lace from the saree and attach it in the neckline and in the waistline like this, or else you can give it in the sides also, and in the bottom of the kurti also you can decorate it with the lace, and combined it with a simple patiala palazzo pant, any pant bottoms you like, and you can decorate it with gota patti laces also. As you can see here, this is a full elastic pant with gota patti laces, silver color. So this is another very interesting pattern which you can try. This is very comfortable to wear and you can use it in the parties also. Another similar pattern you can try with the kaftan kurti is this matching palazzo pant, a straight cut palazzo pant with a matching kurti. They had used a sari fabric to create the kaftan kurti as well as the palazzo pant. Just similar to the front part, they had given pleats in the back part also by adding a small elastic in the back part. This is also a full elastic pant, and unlike the kurti pant, you need to add the linings in the pant with the saree's fabric, because it's a flowy kind of fabric, and to give a straight cut palazzo pant look, you need to give it a stiffer mode. So for that you need to add the cotton linings to that pant. Another beautiful dress you can create with this type of flower print bandhej print saree is this peplum top with a garara pattern and sharara pattern pant, or you can add the skirt also in the bottom part and decorate it with gota patti laces. And this yoke neckline pattern is easily available in the market, so you can add this yoke pattern embroidered neckline in your simple plain kurti. And because it's a see-through fabric, so you need to add the linings also, both in kurti as well as in the palazzo pant. To make the dupatta, use the saree's fabric only and cut it in a rectangular way to make the dupatta part, and decorate it with a simple gota patti laces or any matching lace, whatever you like. So this is another very beautiful pattern you can create from the bandhej print saree. Similar to the previous one, you can use this type of saree also to make the peplum style top kurti and a flared sharara pattern. And here also you need to add the cotton lining on both the kurti and the sharara. And also you can use this type of lace work to decorate the top part of your kurti. Also, giving a front slit pattern in the peplum top is another creative idea to make different Indo Western kind of look in your kurti pattern. Use the long golden tassels also there to decorate it further. To make the sharara more flared, you need to add the kalis. Here you can add 4 kalis in the front and back part of your palazzo pant to create this type of look. Most of the bandhej print sarees are having this white base prints. So if you have this type of saree, then you can create this high neck kurti with a umbrella cut flared pattern. So in the bottom you can see a circle skirt pattern or umbrella cut pattern, both will work well. And in the top part you can see a slanting line in the shoulder from the neckline till the armhole. You can see a slanting line, so that you need to give to make this type of high neck kurti. And in the back part you need to add a long zipper to give a perfect fitting for your kurti, and it will also be easier to wear this kurti. For a dupatta, you can use any chiffon or georgette fabrics dupatta, a white color, because this is having a white base, so white dupatta will be a perfect match for this type of kurti. So I hope you understand this ideas very well. Please comment down below if you have any doubt, and let me know if I'm giving some useful tips or not in these videos. So please do comment that. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.